Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be discussing 4 things to look for when you buy a fixer-upper in Central Ohio. So we're calling out all you investors and real estate moguls. Buying a fixer-upper in Central Ohio can be a fantastic investment because fixer-uppers tend to be much more affordable than houses that aren't in any need of any renovations or repairs. But the question is it worth it? Let's watch to find out. So, HGTV has romanticized flipping houses. So, it's easy to fall in love with the idea of restoring a home back to its intended glory. It also doesn't hurt that many of these renovations returns are big profits. But, however, not every fixer-upper is a great deal. And if you're not careful, you could end up with Tom Hanks in The Money Pit. If you're going to invest in a fixer-upper, whether to flip it or, to flip the house for a profit or rent it out or just live in it yourself, make sure you keep these 4 things in mind before you actually decide to buy it because you want to get the most value for your money. 1, location. There is no point investing thousands and thousands of dollars fixing up a house in a neighborhood full of abandoned buildings. It wouldn't matter how beautiful you make that house look after all the renovations are completed. If the surrounding area is undesirable, then you're going to buy a fixer-upper. Make sure it's in a neighborhood where big buyer demand is high. All right, number 2. The floor plan. When checking out a fixer-upper, pay attention to the floor plan. For example, suppose the kitchen is upstairs. The only bathroom in the house is in the basement or on the first floor when all the bedrooms are upstairs. Yes, it happens. I have no idea why, but in that case, you're going to have to do some serious remodeling. And this remedy is going to take a lot of moving pipes, ventilation, rewiring, electricity. Poor floor plans are probably not worth it since the amount of money it'll take to fix them up. Well, and this will really cut into most of your profit. So you might want to make sure you're going to do right for your money. Number 3, conditions. There's a big difference between buying a house that needs a quick facelift and buying that one that needs major renovations. It's the difference between new paint, new carpet, fixtures, or replacing the roof, the foundation. Unfortunately, certain repairs will cost you way too much money and making the houses lower price profitability if you need to sell it ASAP to recoup your money. All right. Number 4, the configuration of the number of bedrooms and bathrooms matter. It's the biggest deal breaker for a lot of buyers. A 3-bedroom and a 2-bathroom fixer-upper will be a lot easier to flip than a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Keep this in mind when you're looking at various fixer-upper investment properties. Now, if you have a 4-bedroom and turn it into a 3-bedroom, weigh that out. Weigh that out with all the comparables in the neighborhood. If any of these things I just talked about are an issue, odds are that you better not invest in that particular house. That's where I can come in and help you make that best decision when it comes to purchasing that little fixer-upper and put more money in your back pocket. And if you didn't know already, hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio. If this is something that you've really been thinking about doing and you want to be a flipper, if you want to be a fixer-upper and you want to start making money off of buying and selling homes, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We're always happy to help you and help you find a great deal out there. If you'd like to get a copy of my free home buyer's guide or my free home seller's guide, please comment below and I'll send it out to you instantaneously. So don't forget, we're always in and around Central Ohio and we're always keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble, an associate.